my code, whether I'm learning is correct or not.
I've started recording for YouTube and I'm looking at the commands that you have shared now. So here I see IBM's ikey command where you have created a Java key store and you have applied a label and then there's a password. It's again the same configuration. I see that you have used MQSA report properties first. So look at the JVM settings and then you are looking at the broker settings, okay? And then you are changing the JVM settings and the broker settings. All right. Next, you are using setDB params to put a password. Username is not required for the cluster, so you have ignored it. And you put a password there. Why did you use 1234? Is it the actual password? Or did you just?
Yes, it's the actual password.
All
right. It is my local system, so I give us 1234 testing.
All right. As long as it's the actual password. The usual password that you set with Java key store is that you get by default as change it, change IT. That's for the default CA certificate file that you get. Since you have not used that, you can use your any password. The third line and the command that you have used shows a password 1234. So you have set the password. You don't have to use the default. All right. Next, you have used MQSA change properties to say HTTPS connector would have an SSL protocol of TLS. So there are different protocol versions. TLS versions 1 point something, and even SSL has a different 1.1, 1.2 different versions, and you have used TLS. That's okay. And you have enabled the SSL connector, port number you have assigned, and you have used report properties. So list out the broker settings. All right, and then you are looking at the port number by using the HTTPS connector. All right. So now that's all well and fine. And what I have to see is I want to see the execution group and your broker from web user interface. IIB's web user interface. All right. So here, where have you deployed your application? Which execution group?
Testing.
Okay.
Sample.
Okay. Show me this application in toolkit. Yeah. Show me the bar file. Double click and open the bar file. Click on sample. Oh yeah. Expand. Yeah.
For this, for testing, I have created different project called testing soap by using soap node.
It doesn't matter. It can be HTTP or soap. You want to enable SSL?
Yes, SSL.
Yeah, that's it, right? Okay. And when you check the port number, you are not able to see the port number 7883, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
So click on HTTP input. Here, use HTTPS. Click on that button. Do a Control S, save, yes, and then drag and drop this bar file.
Bar file?
Yes, not the application, only this bar file. Drag and drop it to testing execution group. Is it deployed? I don't. Yeah. It's deployed now. All right.
So we can't directly deploy the project instead of node, right?
You can do that, but in your project you have to select that's a property.
Okay.
So let's
Take a note.
go to the command prompt, execute netstat, and see if in netstat command do you get 7883.
You can check by using command, right? This command, listen command.
Alright, yeah. Because there is it 7843. Or did you open your notepad and check what was the port setting?
7883. Let me check it.
Execute the report properties and check. Yeah. Okay, do a telnet command on 7843, localhost 7843. 7883, sorry.
Yeah.
This port is not listening to that. Broker is not listening to the port.
Yeah.
Did you restart your broker after you made this change?
Yeah, I did.
Do that again.
So,
Let's see
okay.
if the changes have taken reflected properly or not. All right. Now look for the ports. Listen command. Yeah, execute. It's not there. I think it could be the video. You can mute this, and I want to see a few things here. Mute M. Click on M and it will be muted. All right. Make this into a bigger screen. A big screen. All right. And here, what have I done? I have created an execution group. Forward. And, to move forward, you can click on the right arrow button.
Yeah.
Or you can press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. When you click on the numbers, it will move forward. Okay, now I will say forward. And forward, I want to see the certificate that I've used. Embedded listener, broker voice listener, forward. Change properties, and I've set the port. Next, forward.
The explicitly set port number, I didn't do. I directly give the port instead of explicitly port number. Okay.
Inside the JKS file, you should have the name of your broker.
Okay.
So try that option and just ping me. We'll connect tomorrow and see if it does not work out.
Okay, I'll do one thing. Like I'll go with the ask for your command, whatever you mentioned it. I'll go with that, and I'll let you know if this works.
All
If
right.
it's not works also.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
Take care.